Watch how our bots automate Power BI access requests with speed and accuracy, streamlining the entire workflow from request to approval. The user sends a request from Power BI to the app owner to access the application. The bot picks up the email with the subject line, "User has requested access to Power BI app," and sends the request to the app owner for necessary action. All details are then saved to the database, enabling future tracking and validation. The app owner receives the notification on Teams and email. Upon the owner approving the request by clicking the Approve button, the user gets added to the respective Power BI application group, and an email is sent to the user updating them about the status of their access request. Transform IT at the cost of a cup of coffee.